Alright, hey guys, thank you so much for watching. I am Baron D. Hall, and with this video, we're going to show you how to brush your teeth with braces. Now, if you guys have been following the channel for a little while, you'll note that I had a video kind of like this a while back, but I just kind of wanted to clean it up, make it a little bit clearer, brighten up some of the images just a little bit, so hopefully you find this one helpful. Before we get going, make sure you hit that subscribe button right now. And you're probably wondering, well heck, I know how to brush my teeth, why do I need a video to watch? Well, if you know how to brush your teeth, just like everybody else in the world, why do I still see people like this, and this, and this, and white spots like this after braces come off? Well, the reason is people in general aren't brushing their teeth like they should. Some people do, but a lot of people don't. So hopefully you find this video super helpful. Follow the instructions that I have in there, and your teeth will be muy nice.
No. And don't forget to brush your tongue. But don't go too far back, or else that'll...
I don't freaking think so. You can't just brush your teeth for 5 seconds. Get up there and do it again. Come on. 2 to 3 minutes every time.
No, don't rinse with water immediately after, you silly rabbit. That'll rinse all the fluoride out from your toothpaste. Unless you've got mouth rinse, you should just walk away and spit out all the toothpaste.
No. You can't just stand there and let the brush do all the work. Actually move. Come on.
Alright, again, thanks so much for watching, guys. Be sure to click that subscribe button. Leave some comments down below if you have some questions. I'd be more than happy to help and answer anything that you might have. Otherwise, stay tuned for other videos, and we'll see you next time. Bye.